Before installing the handlebars, we need to ensure that the forks are facing in the right direction. An easy way to do this is to ensure that the brake arms are on the front of the fork. Now that the forks are in the correct direction, we need to use a 5mm Allen key, loosen the bolts, and remove the faceplate. Now attach the handlebars and replace the faceplate, having the bolts fitted firmly but not too tight, as we will be making final adjustments later. We will know that the handlebars are facing the correct direction when the brake levers are facing forward, like so.